Welcome to Lisley's Quick Start Guide. In this video, we're going to show you the basics, from installing Lisley to collecting your first set of web data. First, go to lisley.io and click Add to Chrome. You can install the Lisley extension with just one click. For easier access, click the jigsaw puzzle icon and pin Lisley to your browser toolbar. You can also search for Lisley directly in the Chrome Web Store. If you're a Microsoft Edge user, you can install it in your Edge browser in the same way. Okay, let's see how it works. Go to the page you want to collect data from, then click the Lisley extension icon. Choose Extract Whole to extract data from the current page right away with no additional setup. If you only want to collect a specific part of the page, choose Extract Part and select the area you need. Once the extraction is complete, check the results to make sure your data was collected as expected. Then click Excel to save your data. That's it. You just finished collecting web data in just a few clicks. With Lisley, anyone can make even the most mundane tasks easy and simple. Thanks for watching.